Well, today is the birthday of my daughter, and welcome to my vlog.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Amy.
Lord, thank you. Thank you for the blessing.
Sige. Son, the Holy Spirit. Sige, kaon na. Yay! Ang kanan, Tara.
Lapay mo to dito. Kanina lang ako para may kasing.
Para wala gason. Pila nakabok din, paper plate. Pasensya lang, moro ni pagkaon sa pobre.
White blood, mama din. Hindi na mo.
Saka na mo.
Wait. Kaon lang si Kuano. Nara ditong kuan ay. Tagay ka na kuha si Maria o kuan. Best friend ni Kuan. Kuha siya dito ng kanon ay. Invite siya.
Yes, Shal. What can you say about your birthday today?
Fun.
Fun, raw kayo thank you. Sabiya.
Thank you for the blessings.
Kinsa pa, thank you son.
Thank you for my parents for the food.
Kinsa pa. Odra. What about your life? Food is always there, manggod every day. Kinsa pa may mong thank you, ha?
God.
Kinsa pa. Say something.
No. Ay, yeah.
Sige na, sige na. Ina.
Ay, no.
Ina, don't forget to watch my video.
Don't forget to watch my papa's videos and mine.
What is your YouTube channel?
It's me, yes. That's my YouTube channel.
And then, so you have to support my YouTube channel.
Yeah. That's better.
Okay, thank you so much for watching for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Twitter, Runish Nguyen, YouTube channel, Runish Nguyen, and to my Facebook. And thank you so much for being here with us and bear us for the birthday of my daughter. Thank you and happy weekend.